Watch this video to find out how to check the status of your Air Canada flight. Search for Air Canada's flight status and click on the first link that appears in the search results to access the flight status page. On the flight status page, you have the option to check using either the flight number or the by route feature. I am going to select the by route option. Enter the departure location in the From field. Select your city from the drop-down list. Enter the destination in the To field on the flight status page. Select the destination airport from the drop-down list. Choose the date from the calendar. To check the flight status, simply click the search button on the form. This will display a list of flight statuses for the selected route and date.